Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Poorva, and if you're watching my channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. So in today's video, I will be doing this very fresh summer makeup tutorial, and if you want to know how I got this look, please keep on watching. Let's quickly begin with the daily summer makeup routine. So I'm just using a hairband to take my hairs off my forehead. So I'm starting with the Clinique Moisture Surge moisturizer. It is a very good moisturizer if you're facing with dry skin problem or you want more hydration in your face. I would highly recommend this product, guys. Please go and check Clinique Moisture Surge, and it is a great product. Next up, I'm applying some sunblock onto my face. This is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock with SPF 50+. I'm just taking some coin size amount onto my fingers and applying directly on my face. Please guys, sunblocks are very important. Don't leave your home without putting some sunblock, be summers or winters. You should always wear sunblocks onto your face while stepping out of the home. Next, I am using the lip balm by Neutrogena. I am using it to hydrate my lips. Now I am using Pond's BB cream. I can't say more about Pond's BB cream. This is one of the best BB creams, the budget-friendly BB creams which I have found recently. Again, I am taking some coin size onto my fingers and then applying directly on my face with my hands. I'm not using a brush or a beauty sponge. I'm just applying it directly onto my face. And also, guys, don't forget to hydrate, moisturize, and also put BB creams or foundations, whatever you're using, onto your neck. So the color of your neck and face should not be different. Then I'm using Brow Kit by L'Oreal, and I am taking an angle brush to fill my eyebrows. This is L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Genius Kit. Then I'm taking a small spoolie. I couldn't find a big spoolie at this moment, so I used a small spoolie to comb my eyebrows. And now I am putting some powder onto my face with a Vega brush. This is the Studio MAC Fix Plus powder, and I'm in the shade NC41. So I'm just putting some powder onto my face and neck very lightly. Then I'm using L'Oreal Silky Smee eyeliner to put some color onto my eyes. The Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara by Maybelline, and I can't rave more about this product. This is again one of the best mascaras which I found. Again, the budget friendly mascaras, and it's in just one coat. It looks very amazing, and if you put 2 to 3 coats, it looks just like you have put any Falsies. Then I'm using this color then I'm using this lipstick by Nykaa. This is in the shade 04. This is a pretty pink, peachy pink color. And then just to set up all of the things which I've put on my face, I'm using MAC Prep plus Prime Fix plus Spray, and just allow it to settle for 1 to 2 minutes, and your skin will look amazing. So that was it, guys. This was just a simple summer makeup day-to-day basis look. If you want a party wear look,